How to like a game on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily like a game on Roblox. So first of all, you're going to have to open up your Roblox application and just make sure that you're logged in. So all you have to do is tap on the game that you want to like. You'll find this kind of pop-up of the game. So all you have to do is scroll down a bit, and here you can see the description of the game. As you can see, this game has 1.1 million votes, which is quite a lot. And the 97% means that it has 97% upvotes. Right besides that, you have these two buttons. Obviously, the down arrow means downvote and the up arrow means upvote. So if you want to like the game, you'll have to press the up arrow like this. But it says that you must visit this experience before rating the game. And I'm assuming everyone might that are trying to rate a game has already played it. So let me just go to a game that I have already played, which is this one. I'm going to scroll down a bit, and here, as you can see, it also has quite a good rating. It has over 230,000 votes. I'm going to tap on this upvote, and as you can see, the vote has been counted. But if this feature is not available to you, then it might be because your email is not verified. Tap on more down below at the right, profile. And then from here, you're going to have to go to your account settings. Tap on settings, tap on account info, and here you'll see all of your details of your account. So you're just going to have to make sure that your email is verified. As you can see, my email address is already verified, or it might be because you are under the age of 13. So that's why, because you're not able to rate the game. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.